had a bit of fog in the lens there. Yeah. Probably because of the air temperature. I know with my film cameras, I'm on a cruise ship. I'm going to take them out of the cabin. For an hour. Just when you
cruise ships, I even find that we're in the tropics. I walk out of the public areas along the deck and pass it through.
yeah. This would have been difficult to navigate before they put all the markers in the early days.
Very good. Especially as they did that.
And you might have been relying on sail as well.
Yeah, how they did it on very, very clever navigators. Cook must have been too.
Oh yeah. But even Bly, when Bly was put out on it's called a Santa Longbow, what they call it. He navigated. I think he had a section. Navigated all the way to Robinson.
Please hand.
Look, he didn't have a big hand. It was close to that. Where it was full of drift. And he navigated all the way down to Australia. Rowboat. Had to bring it back, hold that.
No, they came on the road. Yeah, there's a couple of nice boats.
The money boat there.
Especially if they don't get here.
What's your pennant? Does that represent?
Just Sunset. My daughter got it for me. That's the brand.
You're very much dancing, aren't you?
Oh, not really. It's just, it bashes the boats about. Well, I guess I am.
Yeah. That's good.
I mean, the boat boy, yeah, he can get out of it. Basically.
Yeah.
This, I mean, we're not in a hurry. If we were in a hurry, that would be different.
We've got 5 minutes. No,
Yeah, no, we can do it.
Nothing else planned for the rest of